The process starts with the menstrual cycle, which is regulated by several hormones. Gonadotropin-releasing hormone produced by the hypothalamus signals the pituitary gland to release two key hormones. Follicle-stimulating hormone stimulates the ovaries to develop follicles, each containing an immature egg. As the follicles grow, they release estrogen, which thickens the uterine lining, endometrium, in preparation for a potential pregnancy. A surge in luteinizing hormone triggers ovulation when the mature egg is released from the ovary into the fallopian tube. This phase usually happens around the middle of the menstrual cycle. The egg remains viable for fertilization for about 12 to 24 hours. If sperm are present in the female reproductive tract during ovulation, one sperm may penetrate the egg, leading to fertilization. This process occurs in the fallopian tube. Once fertilized, the egg forms a zygote, which starts dividing as it moves toward the uterus. Once the fertilized egg reaches the uterus, it must implant into the uterine lining to establish a pregnancy. This stage involves crucial hormonal support. After ovulation, the empty follicle, now called the corpus luteum, releases progesterone, which maintains the uterine lining and prevents menstruation. If implantation occurs, the developing embryo starts producing HCG. This hormone signals the corpus luteum to keep producing progesterone, which is essential for sustaining the pregnancy. HCG is also the hormone detected in pregnancy tests. As pregnancy progresses, the placenta develops and takes over hormone production, releasing progesterone and estrogen to maintain the pregnancy and support fetal development. Relaxin helps loosen the ligaments in the pelvis in preparation for childbirth. Human placental lactogen helps regulate metabolism and prepare the mother's body for breastfeeding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.